Hi, my name is Cliff with AXSA Engineering Products in Orlando, Florida, and I'm going to show you how to deinstall a Xerox 6279 machine. First, once you remove all the cables out of the back of the machine, you just pull the controller up and put it in a box, and then these two screws you just loosen, and then this just lifts up and comes out of its holes, just like that. And that can be packaged up too. Alright, come back to the front here. This lever all the way to the side, this opens up the machine. And what we want to do is we just want to protect the drum, which is under here in the transfer area. So you can just use a piece of paper, or if you have some bubble wrap, you can use bubble wrap too. So we have this already prepared, and just slip it in and make sure, if you can get down lower here, just make sure that you don't want it to go all the way to the end, you just want it to cover that drum area there. So just about that. Close. And then at the scanner, you want to lift this is the document thickness lever, just want to lift that up. And then we also do the same thing, we put either cloth, or this is really good to put like a piece of bubble wrap if you have it. So we just have a piece of soft packing material, and then that should be good to go. Alright, the touchscreen has two screws on the end here. That has one here and here, and then we just remove those. Okay, and that cover comes off. That just makes it easier to access the panel because there's four screws on the back of the panel right here. So after you remove all the connections, we can take the screws out. You really only have to be worried about the last screw. So you can just take these out and then just kind of hold it up against your body. Take that last screw out. And that's it. And then you just wrap the panel up. And then when you package it, just put some bubble wrap. I already have some in here. Just put the bubble wrap in there, and then that should be safe. To keep these together, we just use a plastic bag. I mean, a big zip tie would work. I didn't have any on me, but you just kind of get these. You can either zip tie it, or you just throw this plastic bag over it. And I have electrical tape. You just wrap electrical tape around it. So that should be good. On the racks are, the one on the scanner, they'll have E-clips on the sides of them. We already had them removed. You just pop those E-clips out, and then it should just come undone. I tape these just because sometimes it gets annoying if they're all flapping around. So I tape those, and I remove the extenders as well. So once that's all done, you can either put the racks on the back of the machine if you had two people, or sometimes we'll just stack them on the top, like so. And they put the boxes on there, and then once we wrap it with that shrink wrap that keeps all the drawers and stuff together. So that's pretty much a wrap how you prep the 6279 machine.